I don't want you to miss out on what I'm doing, which helped me a ton, especially the second thing, because it could save you from a lot of regret during this winter. And you don't have to lock yourself in a room. You don't have to forget everyone and everything. Because the first thing, which really just matters the most, is that it shouldn't be easy. Because if it was easy, everyone would do it, right? If you're not sure exactly what the winter arc is, it's basically just focusing on your goals, either going to the gym, making more money, locking in on those things and not being distracted by other things. Best part about it is when you look back on the winter, it'll be so awesome. You'll see the insane progress that you do. So if you can commit to this for 7 days, 30 days, 1 day, just trying this out, your future self will really thank you for it. So once you know that first thing, you can really do the second thing, which is cutting out the distractions. It's really easier said than done because one distraction, one thing can consume hours of your day. Every time I try to do some work on the computer or just go on my phone for a minute, I open Instagram. I start scrolling like crazy. There's so many little distractions in our way, and if we could just put a blanket over those distractions, for example, forget about them, then use the time in a much better way by actually focusing on the things we need to do, we should be doing, and will help us a lot. When was the last time you spent a whole day without using your phone? I'm gonna be honest, I can't even think of the last time I spent a whole day, 24 hours, not using a phone. And imagine just for a week, you only spent 1 hour on your phone. And then all that time you could spend focusing on other stuff. You know how crazy that would be? And then imagine the person who isn't doing their little winter arc or not trying. Imagine how ahead you can get. And then if you take some of those things from this little winter arc and apply it just in life in general, it'll help you so much. I have been going on my phone a lot less, which allows me to focus on a lot of other things. I like to hide my phone. I like to delete the apps that I go on a lot. Instagram, YouTube. I even delete the Chrome app so I can't search up YouTube on Google and end up watching videos there. Completely hide your phone. Eliminate the thing that's gonna distract you. Whatever that thing is that won't make you focus, cut it out. You don't have to do this for the rest of your life, but try this for a day, 7 days, just to see what happens. Can't say it's not gonna do anything or it's not gonna help if you've never tried it. I haven't even tried it all the way of never going on my phone, and even when I don't go on my phone that much, it still helps me a lot. Try to prioritize yourself more by focusing on gym, business, other goals that you have. For me right now, instead of scrolling, watching videos, I would rather spend a lot more time focusing on growing my YouTube. By the way, if you'd be interested in growing a cool YouTube channel where you can just do whatever, help people with it, click that Calendly link in the description, book a quick call with me, and I'd love to see if I could actually help you grow your YouTube. But don't worry, it's not all boring and just work, struggle. It can actually be really fun because of these challenges. And I just want to share with you some challenges that I'm going to do personally. It would be cool if you can share your challenges too to hold yourself accountable. There's a like-minded club in the description for that. There's also the comments. But here are some challenges that I've done in the past and that I'm going to do right now, which are doing 100 push-ups every single day, waking up at 5 a.m. to have more time to work, go outside, go on a run in the morning. Definitely that 24-hour no phone thing. I really want to try that. That sounds cool. With the challenges and goals you set, try to make it actually countable. Like, instead of do push-ups, quantify that amount. Make it specific so you know exactly what to do and there's no room for, oh, did I did it? No, I kind of didn't. Make it like a yes or no answer. Did you do it or not? Did you do 100 push-ups? Yes or no? Make it so there's no excuses, because if you can really focus on this for 7 days, I promise it will help you so much. Think of a lot of fun challenges that you can do. I'm thinking of taking also some videos and pictures of me being outside on my winter arc, and I think it will be really cool. Try to find little things to motivate yourself and make it fun and cool for your winter arc, because that's actually how you make it really awesome. It still is going to be a process. It's still going to take effort, but you can make these cool challenges cool things you want to try to make the winter arc more enjoyable. If you want more ideas and challenges you can do for your winter arc, click that like-minded club in the description. You can talk with hundreds of like-minded people and myself, and we can all share ideas, give challenges, motivate each other a lot to really get further. There's this little park I can run to and then do some pull-ups, do some dips, and then eventually I want to do a muscle up. So that would be really cool. Imagine you can do all these cool things after the winter and then it just sticks with you. Now I can always do a muscle up. I don't think there's any random new video you need to watch. There's no new thing you need to scroll on your phone for. This is the thing that would have helped me the most. So I hope you can really think about this and try it. Just give it a try. Try actually being serious about this. In the future, if you want to see more videos, if you want to see cool environments more, consider subscribing. It would really mean a lot for me. I'm Timothy, 16 years old. Like this video if you liked it. It would mean a lot for me so more people can see this. And yeah, that's all I really gotta say. Hope you have a great winter and yeah, get warm on the fire. All that cool stuff. Goodbye.